Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I've got a ripe Ischia Black here on the fig tree right in front underneath this leaf. And you can see the fig honey, and it's really ripe. The stem from that leaf underneath there is torn. The skin, I just moved this fig tree. I would say that's a UC Davis actually. I have it on the label. This is UC Davis fig tree that I started in 2013 from a cutting. So it's a little bit stunted, but you can see there still produces a nice fig. I would say this one here, well, this one here is an air layer. It doesn't, the leaves are a little bit more cleaner. You can see here up in the top of the canopy, they're getting, on this one here, the UC Davis, they're getting smaller. And this one here, it's just a lot healthy. It's just little subtle differences. But it seems to be greener. You know, it could be the media too, but it's just it looks a little bit more healthier than this. And this here is another UC Davis, and you can see the figs are starting to turn. This one here, although it's a little deformed, not complete bell shape, it's pretty large, and so these are starting to turn. You can see the color there. But let's take a look at this fig here. I think if I waited any longer there, you can see sort of like stress marks, or stretch marks on the neck. So this one's really ripe. This is about ready to fall off. Look at that, see that? That would have maybe fallen off. And you can see the skin there is torn a little bit. There's an indentation where it was just laying down on the stem underneath it. So it hasn't completely turned at the eye, but you can see the eye is completely blocked with fig honey. And it has a little bit of a powdery coating to it. So let's take a look inside this one. This might be really dark red. Yeah, we're back in the summertime. It's really hot anyway today. We got a short break from it, but it's back. So let's take a look inside. Oh, not as dark red as I thought, but you can see there around the eye the darker color. And let's get a close-up. Let's give it a taste. Wow, yeah, that was intense berry flavor. The strawberry. So this is New England Gardening, and this is a very ripe UC Davis Black Madeira. So the UC Davis version does produce a really nice fig. Thanks for watching.